Hi, I'm Ray. Well, April is one of the most exciting months of the gardening calendar. Everything is starting to wake up. The days are getting longer and it finally feels like the growing season is here. But this is where a lot of people go wrong. It's very easy to get carried away, sowing seeds, everything all at once. And there's some crops that really don't like the cold. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can sow in April and a couple of things you should definitely wait just a little bit longer before planting. So cucumbers love the warmth, so April is a perfect time for starting them indoors or in a greenhouse. Use small pots, keep them somewhere warm and they'll germinate quickly, but don't rush to get them outside. So courgettes are fast growers and they're really easy. Start them indoors in April, they'll be ready to plant out in May. Fill a tray. Courgettes don't need too many plants. And 4 in a pot, that's good enough. This courgette is Summer Sun F1. There we go, 4 in a pot, that's our courgette sown. So squashes, very similar to courgettes, they need the warmth to get started. Sow them in pots indoors and they'll be strong, healthy by the time it's out for planting. This one is Big Macs from Lidl's, 4 in a pot, compost pot, 4 in a pot, and that's pumpkins. So sweet corn. Sweet corn does best when started in modules, indoors. Plant 1 seed per module, keep them warm, and this helps them establish a long, strong, healthy root before we get out before planting. Sweet corn. And potatoes. April is a great time to plant potatoes outdoors. By now the soil is warming up and your chitted potatoes should be ready to go in. I've sown my potatoes in a raised bed using the no dig method, and you can check out this video of showing how I use the no dig method in my raised bed. So basil. Basil, this is a Thai basil. This can be sown in April using a small tray. Any tray would do. Sprinkling of seeds. That would do, and then just cover on the top, give it a water, put a label on it, and that's the basil. Another vegetable you can directly sow in April is chard. Chard is much tougher, can be sown directly outside in April, and it's a reliable crop. And it's great for beginners. This is where the patience really matters. These might be tempting to sow now, but in most UK gardens, April is still too early. And that is beans, runner beans, climbing beans, French beans. The beans are very sensitive to cold soil. If you sow them now too soon, they can rot before they even get going or produce weak plants that struggle later. It's much better to wait until April, even May, when the soil is properly warmed up and the risk of frost is lower. Trust me, waiting a couple of weeks will give you much better results. So a few tips to help you succeed this month. Start tender crops indoors, in a greenhouse. Keep an eye on those late frosts. Check out your local frost times. They can still happen in April, May, so don't over water your seedlings. Less is often more. And also, label everything. You'll forget otherwise. And if you're unsure, it's always safer to wait a little bit. And if you're unsure, it's always safer to wait a little bit than rush and lose those plants. So that's what to sow in April and what to hold off for now. Gardening is all about timing. Getting this right makes a huge difference. So let me know in the comments, what are you planting this month? I'd love to hear. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more monthly growing guides. Cheers.